Hey, let go of the money. This is mine.
No way, it's mine. I saw it first.
Oh, stop! No! You guys are gonna rip me!
Give it to me.
Help me! Ivy, they ripped me!
What? You ripped the money?
No, you ripped my money.
No, this was mine.
This is my money.
What? Who are you? Why are you guys here? Why are you taking my money?
She woke up. We have to go.
Run.
Police! I have a thief! Oh, my money's broken. What am I gonna do? I'm split. Please help me.
Oh, I know what to do. I'll use tape to fix my money. First, I need to take just one piece of tape. Carefully use the tape to fix the money. Oh, it looks okay. I think I can use it now. Whew, I'm getting tired. Going to sleep.
Please, Ivy, help! I look so bad still. Help!
Max, how many times do I have to tell you to clean your room? It's so stinky.
I'll clean later, Mom. I'm busy playing video games.
Really? Max, you have to clean up right now.
Okay, that's Mom. Stop.
I want this in the washing machine in 5 minutes. If you don't do it, I'm taking all your games and your allowance.
Okay, Mom, let go. I'll do it. Oh,
Hurry up and get started.
okay.
No, Max, I'm here, and it's so silly. Please take me out.
Okay, Mom, I'm going to the laundry room.
Good.
I want to wash clothes.
Max, let me out. I don't want to go in the washing machine. I'm gonna get wet.
There, I'm washing my clothes. Am I done now, Mom?
No, your room is still stinky. You have to vacuum.
Oh, man. Oh, I hate cleaning.
No, let me out. Max, I hate you. No.
Mom, can I please get money for the new phone that came out? Please, please, please.
No, I just bought you the new iPad last month. You can use that instead of a phone.
Oh, you're the worst, Mom. Grandma, hi.
Huh? What'd you say? I can't hear you.
Can I have money for the new phone, Grandma, please?
What? Monkey? I'll get you one right now.
No, not monkey, money. I need money.
Oh, money.
Yeah, I need 500.
Anything for my grandson. 1, 2. Oh, Grandma, stop doing that. Why is it so wet?
Ew, Grandma, it's so gross.
Do you want it or not?
Yes. Thanks, Grandma. At least I got money for my new phone.
Don't leave yet. I need to give you a kiss.
No, Grandma, stop.
Haha, that's the price you have to pay, Max. Give him a kiss, Grandma.
Ivy, let's scratch this lottery ticket. We might win $1 billion.
Yeah, it's so exciting. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't scratch with my fingernail. It's so hard. We need a coin. Do you have any coins, Max?
I don't know. Let me check my wallet. Oh, there's 1 penny. Let me get it.
Max, you can't get me.
I can't get it. It's so annoying.
Flip it upside down. Shake it.
Max, that hurts. Why'd you drop me?
Yes, finally, I got it. Let's scratch the ticket.
Yeah, okay. Wow, Max, we won $1 billion.
Yes. We're rich. We don't need this penny anymore.
Max, Ivy! Max, Ivy, how could you throw me away? I'm still money. No!
Oh, the kids are so messy. They never clean up. Huh? Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I'm so lucky. I found $5.
Hi, Mommy. It's me, $5.
Hi, Money. You look so wrinkled. I have to straighten you.
Mommy, stop doing that.
It's still wrinkled. I know what to do. I'll use the iron to make the money straight and look new.
Ooh, I love this sauna. Ooh, turn up the heat.
Ooh, now my $5 look new again.
Thank you, Mommy. I look so crisp and professional. I'm like new.
Now I can keep cleaning. Hopefully I'll find more money. Okay, your total is $100, Max.
$100? No problem. Oh man, I'm out of money. What am I gonna do? Ivy, I don't have any money. Can I pay later?
No money, no food.
Really? Okay, give me 1 second. Oh, I have no choice. I have to use this fake money to buy it.
What? Max, you're gonna use me? Paying with fake money is illegal.
I know, but I have no choice.
Max, are you gonna pay or not? I'm gonna have to put this food away.
Yeah, I'm coming here. Here you go, Ivy. Here's my money.
Huh? This money looks so weird and we don't accept $1,000 bills.
It's just $1,000. You just give me change for $900.
I've never seen money like that. I'm gonna have to check with this.
What? Why is Max's face on the money?
Hi, Ivy. I'm fake money. Huh? This is fake money. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna call the police.
No, don't call the police.
Max was really bad. He gave me fake money. I have to report it to the police. What? Ivy, please don't put me in jail. It's not my fault that Max is broke. Max, I hate you.
Oh, I'm so tired, but I have to save money for Vegas. Oh, I'm finally done.
Hey, Ivy. Oh, wow. It looks really good. You did a great job. Here's your money for today.
$100? Wow, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
If you ever need me in the future, call me. I'm your gardener.
All right, of course.
Oh, the first $100 for my Vegas trip. I'm so excited.
Hi, Ivy. I'm $100.
Now I can save my money by putting it in the jar.
No, I don't want to be in the jar. Ivy, no. Ivy, no. Don't put me in the jar. Someone help. I'm in jail.
Now my money is safe. I just have to work a little harder for my trip.
Ivy, I might be safe, but I'm in jail. Please let me out. Help. Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.